Let's talk multiple sclerosis and the B-cell depleting drugs that fight it. Here's the wild part. One of these high-tech drugs is actually part mouse. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine your immune system as a chaotic office party. In MS, the B-cells are the interns gone wild, attacking the central nervous system, the espresso machine of your body. B-cell depleters are the security guards, kicking out the troublemakers by spotting their CD20 name tags. But here's the catch, our bodies are picky. If a drug looks foreign, like it's got mouse parts, your immune system might freak out, causing reactions like hives or itching. The more human the drug, the better it sneaks past your body's bouncers. The original B-cell depleter, Rituxan, is a chimeric drug, part mouse, part human. It paved the way, but its mousy bits mean more risk of reactions. Newer drugs like Ocrevus and Briumvi are humanized or fully human, so they're less likely to set off alarms. So yes, one of your MS treatments is a genetic chimera. Science is weird, but it works. The mouse factor matters. It's about how your body reacts, not just how the drug works. In short, the more human the drug, the smoother your experience. So, which one is secretly Stuart Little? Now you know. Welcome to the strange world of MS meds. What if your immune system gets too depleted? If your IgG drops too low, you're more likely to get infections, especially sinus or respiratory ones. Your doctor might delay your next infusion or give you antibody infusions to boost your defenses. Rarely, B-cell depleters can cause immune-mediated colitis. Your immune system attacks your colon. It's rare but treatable with steroids. Surgery while on these meds? It's all about timing and teamwork. Ideally, schedule surgery when your immune system is recovering a bit. Usually just before your next infusion. Your neurologist and surgeon need to coordinate, take extra precautions, and monitor you closely. Being on a B-cell depleter doesn't mean you can't have surgery, it just means your team needs a plan. Communication is key. Everyone needs to know you're on an immunosuppressant. With the right prep, you can stay safe and recover well. It's all about smart planning and teamwork. Your medical team, more clipboards, less spandex, but just as heroic. We've covered mice in disguise, superhero drugs, and the wild world of MS treatment. Now we need your help. Hit that subscribe button below. Right now, it's as depleted as a B-cell after Ocrevus. Give it some love. Subscribing means you'll get more smart, funny, and slightly unhinged medical content. Hit like too. It helps more people find this video. Every click tells us you want more deep dives and terrible analogies. We have so many more medical mysteries to unpack, but we need you in our community. Your subscription is our signal to keep going. So find those buttons and give them a click. Do it for the content, the community, and our lonely subscribe button. Thanks for being part of this wild ride. Let's decode those lab tests your doctor orders. First, they check your CD19 or CD20 count, the B-cell head count. 0 means the drug is working. Next, your CBC, a census of your blood cells. B-cell depleters can sometimes lower other white blood cells, so your doctor makes sure you still have enough defenders. Then, immunoglobulins, IgG. These are your immune system's memory. B-cell depletion can lower IgG over time, so your doctor watches this closely to keep you protected from infections. Finally, a metabolic panel checks your organs, making sure your liver and kidneys are handling the meds. Each test tells a story. Is the drug working? Are you safe? And is your immune system still strong enough? Your doctor isn't just collecting numbers, they're making sure you're protected. If something's off, they'll adjust your treatment. So, don't panic at the lab report. It's your doctor's way of keeping you safe. These numbers are your health's early warning system. It's all about balance fighting MS while keeping your defenses up. That's the science behind the blood work. Knowledge is power. Now you know what they're looking for. Time for the main event, Rituxan versus Ocrevus versus Briumvi. Rituxan is the old-school veteran, used off-label for MS, part mouse, and a bit unpredictable in how it's given. Ocrevus is the blockbuster, FDA-approved, humanized, and given twice a year on a set schedule. Fewer mouse parts, fewer reactions. Briumvi is the newcomer, also humanized, but with a game-changer, just a 1-hour infusion. All three target B-cells, but differ in convenience, approval, and how much time you'll spend in the infusion chair. Rituxan, long track record, but more infusion reactions. Ocrevus, popular, predictable, and widely used. Briumvi, fast, efficient, and perfect for busy lives. The best choice? It depends on your MS, your lifestyle, and your insurance. It's a true superhero showdown. Pick your champion. What's next? We're taking on the biggest MS myths and misconceptions. From sun exposure to miracle diets, we'll separate science from nonsense. Our team is ready to fact-check, rant, and entertain. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the weird world of B-cell depleters. We hope you feel more informed and less intimidated. Drop your questions and wild analogies in the comments. We read them all. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and remember, sometimes your meds really are part mouse.